we have an excellent 1963 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special. This car is finished in its original royal maroon color. And again, this car does appear to have mostly, if not all, original paint and interior. This car came out of an estate. Unfortunately, the gentleman had passed away, and he was very fond of Cadillacs, had several. And this was his car that he drove as his daily driver during the dry months up here. And so this car is absolutely hop in it, get in, and go. He drove this car around town and on any of his errands he had to run. And I don't blame him. This thing is absolutely beautiful. It runs great. It's extremely comfortable, of course, as one of Cadillac's top offerings in 1963. But huge body panels, but you can see how nice and straight this car is. So it's got the original dealer emblem in the back, bought at Warren in Minneapolis. And there's some paperwork that you can see in the still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. There's paperwork there from when the car was purchased at Warren in Minneapolis. So it's kind of neat. It's got a little bit of paperwork history on it as well. We'll take a look inside. I'll show you the black vinyl top is in good shape as well. There we go. As I mentioned, the odometer shows 81,000 miles. That's believed to be actual miles on the car. And there's a whole host of switches here. So what makes these nice is that, of course, you've got all four of the big windows are power, but also the front wing windows and the rear wing windows are power. It's something you don't see on too many cars, that's for sure. And you can see the leather is nice and soft, tufted leather that is extremely comfortable. Naturally, being the Cadillac, it's got air conditioning. There's the factory stereo. The horn ring's in good shape. It's got 1963 navigation right here. And the wood grain is in good shape. I've seen on these cars before where sometimes that wood grain will peel or crack. The wood grain is in very good shape on this car. And this is one of my favorite things about these. Just shuts nice and solid. Don't have to slam them. You can literally feel the quality in these cars. Top to bottom. Headliner's in good shape as well. All right, I'm going to get the hood open and get it fired up for you.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Okay, get it fired up here. Starts right up, of course. I did just open the trunk, and you can see that the trunk light works as well. It does have remote trunk release in the glove box. It does work. Let's go take a look under the hood. Under the hood is powered by its 390 Cadillac V8. And again, of course, it has all the Cadillac goodies: power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Kind of funny, even it has spare keys taped here. Who knows how long those have been there? I'll leave those sit for the next owner. Running very well. And again, look down the side here. You can see again how nice and straight this car is. I'll show you the trunk. The trunk looks like it's hardly been used. The original jacking instructions plate is there. And in Cadillac fashion, even the trunk carpet, if you can pick that up in the video, is, I guess for lack of a better word, tinted to match the exterior color of the car. And of course, the Cadillac pull-down trunk does work as well. There she is, latched down. So as I mentioned, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are considered, financing is available, and extended warranties are also available to protect your purchase after the fact.